Guys, are you having problem with Messenger not sending your messages properly? So in this video, we'll learn how to exactly fix that. So first of all, tap on Messenger app for some time and an icon will appear. Tap on I and it will lead you to app info. Now scroll down a bit until you find storage. Now tap on storage and you'll find two little buttons at the top down. So what you're going to do is tap on clear case and tap on clear data. After this, close the application. And if you feel like any bugs or glitches are affecting your uses, so what you can always try is go to Play Store. Now tap on search bar and right here, your app name, Messenger. Now tap on the Messenger. Now make sure that your app is up to date. As you can see, I already have an up-to-date version, so I don't have any update available. But this is key, guys. Listen carefully. If any update icon is showing in your device instead of open, tap on that immediately. So that will fix any glitches or bugs problem and provide you with the latest features updated by Meta. So also what you can do is you can always join the beta community by tapping on join and you'll always get the best features and the latest feature than anyone else. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope your problem is fixed. And if it did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.